Innovation is inspiring the digital landscape. The rapid growth and technological improvements in the digital arena are speeding up the way we function. Innovations are making inventions go old every day. Funny, but it's true. Let's rewind to 2 decades ago. The internet was so popular that only a few people had access to it. In 2020, about 4.66 billion users worldwide, Statista access internet. As per the market demands, technology innovators are also delivering creative digital applications. Here are some beautiful innovations that are trending in the digital marketing world, and we can look forward to the future with these remarkable technologies. Quick takeaways from the article. How innovations are changing the future of digital marketing. How artificial intelligence is becoming part of digital marketing. Technology updates and upcoming trends in the digital world. Artificial intelligence. AI-driven applications are making life easier for their users. It improves the efficiency of the customer support services, which has made the technology quite popular in recent times, and many companies want to adopt this into their process. Chatbots, self-driving cars, voice search engines, face recognition and digital assistants are all the applications driven by AI. Digital assistants. Hey Alexa. It is now the new personalized AI assistant at home. The integration of voice assistants with AI makes this possible. Google Assistant is one of the best ways to search for information. It will assist us with our internet search. The future will be based entirely on AI applications, and digital assistants will play a key role. Shifts in social media functions. Social media is most frequently visited sites by the internet users. These channels are ideal platforms for many brands to reach out to their target customers easily. When Facebook started in 2004, it has made significant changes to how people connect with each other on the internet. Likewise, inventions are interrogating the present technology by making extreme changes to drive the users to the social media platforms. Features like location share, instant messaging service, voice and video calls, etc. are a few examples to mention. Social media allows you to explore the world news. Everything is rapid and fast in the changing world of digital marketing. People shift to social media platforms because of their unique features and updates. Blockchain technology. Blockchain is a system for recording information that is hard to hack, hard to change or cheat. It is essentially used to share or duplicate the data within the network. In short, it is a highly secured application for storing digital ledger transactions. This type of technology effectively protects or prevents frauds and ensures safety measures across the network. The acquired data can be used in brand building and customer loyalty programs. This technology is mostly used for B2B applications. Chatbots. Artificial intelligence program is making a way towards helping the customers by answering their queries with the help of chatbots. It is the future of the customer support services, and investing on chatbots is worth considering as they negate the investment on the human resources to conduct the primary conversations. As per the Outgrow report, 80% of companies are interested in incorporating chatbots to their customer service system by 2021. Companies like Facebook, Twitter is integrating chatbots support to their platforms. Voice search. Voice search is a new addition to the search tools, and Statista in 2020 has reported that around 4.2 billion people browse the internet through voice search daily. It means more than half of the world population is dependent on voice search. It is easy to operate, and it is time-saving. It is an excellent feature for millions of people who have trouble with typing. It is going to play a key role in the future, and such innovations are creating a tremendous impact to the existing systems to emerge as disruptive business solutions. Influencer marketing. People who have many subscribers or followers in the social media platforms can help businesses achieve their targets by influencing customers with their social media platforms. This is one of the wonderful ways where the digital arena can generate great leads to a business. It is trending, and it will expand its roots in a new way to influence the future of digital marketing. Businesses are also looking to engage with the audience who are on board to generate quality leads, and that happens through influencer marketing. Micro-moment marketing. The behavioral aspects of the customers are considered in micro-moment marketing. A high-intent user would want to make a decision looking up on the internet search results using smartphone or a desktop. Businesses have micro-moments bandwidth to grab the attention of the customer. Google has introduced this concept into its algorithm in the year 2015. It will be the future in the digital marketing where businesses get to tap into the data that reveals customer behavioral interest. Conclusion. Innovation is imposing an excellent need for the betterment of digital applications to make transition into futuristic results. Marketers must stay abreast with the technological innovations and make necessary changes to adapt the changes into their business strategies. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment. Hit the bell so you know when we upload new videos.